channel. It's your girl Brittany Marieee back with another video. And if you're new, I hope you stay and join the family. Anyway, so today's video is going to be with you. I'm pretty sure you already know by the title, but I'm going to be watching this right here. This is like, it's actually been long overdue. I got flakes all in my scalp and everything, girl. So y'all gonna come with me to wash this stuff. Or shall I say shampoo it, because somebody said you don't wash your hair, you wash your ass. But I digress, whatever. I'm about to wash my hair. I'm gonna do it like I might do a little soft little retwist like up here with some just like let me see. Like this right here, you know, can you see that? And I'm gonna do a little, maybe, you know, usually people do 2 washes. I'm gonna use this for my first wash, the Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo, which I just recently bought like maybe a month or so ago. I was supposed to be put my mic on, but I didn't put it on. It's over there. Then this is what I use, which I'm pretty sure I showed y'all in the last video, but I use this right here, Pure. I've been using this for so long. I don't know. I used to use this body wash. Y'all, have y'all seen the freaking body wash? Because there was some, I like that body wash. Now I don't think I see it no more. But yeah, I'm about to use this. I use the shampoo and the conditioner. Also, another question I got: do y'all decondition y'all hair before y'all wash it or after y'all wash it? Because I was doing before I wash it, but then I thought about it. Like, what's really the frame, which I'm pretty sure. Because last time I was in the frame and I didn't put that video out. I just put it in another video. But let's do this. My hair is clean, good and washed right now. So now it's time for the deep conditioning hot oil treatment. I'm just waiting on my oil to, you know, solidify and not solidify because it's already solidified, liquefy and all that. It's doing this thing. Then I'm gonna do that. But while I do that, I'm gonna tell y'all a little story time about how I cut one of my locks off like in 2021. I'm gonna tell y'all a little story about that. I need to put that tab back on me because, yeah, look at my hair, bro. It's long. This is 6 years, and just in case y'all don't know and wanted to know. Well, this is my hair in 6 years. You know, everybody, they started at different times. People started at different times. And I started like, I think mine like was like right here to my eyebrow, bro. It was maybe like right there. It was like real short. And this is 6 years later. And I think I told y'all in the last video, but in 10 years from now, like 2036, I think I'm gonna my 45th, 46th birthday, I think I'm gonna cut my hair in a bob, because that bob is like, that's a grown woman for real. Even though any hairstyle, well, not any hairstyle. Yeah, any hairstyle could be grown woman, but that bob though, it'd be like, that's like, she about her motherfucking business. Yes, ma'am. And that's why I want to be at. I think I'm gonna cut it. I told my mom that she was like, you should keep them just in case you want to put them back in. But if I cut it in a bob, then I don't want to keep it. I just let it grow back when it grow back. It's hair, it'll grow back, and then it's like when they get longer, it's like it hurts your neck when you wash. When your hair is wet, your neck hurt. Cause I usually wash my hair in the shower, but for the sake of this video, I did it on my knees over the tub, and boy, my back. Let me. I hope I'm in this frame. Let me raise it up some more so I can make sure I'm in this frame. But yeah, y'all. Yeah, what I was saying, for the sake of this video, I done it over the bathtub. When your hair longer, you gotta put it up to eat. It gets heavy when it's wet. It's just like, I don't know. And the short is just like, it's short. It's not in your way. It's not. It's not all. Well, it'll be on your neck if you put it right here, but it don't be like in the way. My hair be in the way so much, but I love it so much. But it be in the way, like I said. Anyways, let's check on this. Yeah, it's ready to go. This is, I don't know if I didn't tell y'all in the last video. I was supposed to, but I was not recording. This is botana oil. And I think that might be it. And maybe another kind of oil in here, but this is what I've been using for my hot oil treatment. And this, I haven't had this forever, baby. Y'all know this. Y'all mamas probably use this. Because I know mine did. I think she still uses this, but this is my deep conditioner. This is my hot oil treatment. Let's get this hot oil treatment. But before I do that, I'm about to show y'all this lock that I had cut off. Let me find it. And also do a lock tour. Let me find the lock first, y'all. I think was it that one? Yeah, I don't even remember for real. But I think it was, no, I don't think it was that. Was it that one? Might have been that one, y'all, for real. Yeah, it was this one. This one right here. I had cut this thing off in 2021, and how I cut it was, I think it was this one, child. Yeah, I think it was this one. I cut it off because my mom had done my hair, and it was her first time doing the style, and neither one of us liked it, so I was taking it out, and then I guess I don't know, maybe I was rushing or something, I don't know, but I instantly snapped this thing off, but I brought it back. It grew back, and I brought it back, so here she is. Then this one here, this is my thickest lock right here, and it's my favorite because it's my thickest. This is my favorite because it's my thickest, because it never lost its size, no matter, over the years it never lost its size. It's been the thickest since the beginning, and it's still the thickest. This one is thick also. This one was thicker, I think, but it lost some of the thickness. Where my second thicker one at? It's another one. This is my second thickest right here. And my skinniest one, that's not it. Where is it? Is it this one? I think it's this one. This is my skinniest one right here. Yep. But let's get this show on the road, honey. Cause I'm already gonna let this sit. I usually let my deep conditioner hot oil treatment sit on my head for like an hour, but I probably ain't gonna do that because it's already 11, and my hair gonna take forever to dry and all that. So I'll probably do it for like 30 minutes. But anyway, let's just get into it. What's y'all favorite hairstyle too? What's y'all favorite lock style? Because me, I love a good bun. I love a bun anyways. On locked hair, loose hair, it don't matter. I love a bun. Dang, what's wrong with this? That's the only style that I probably would get. I stopped getting styles because I be getting styles, then they start getting on my nerves. Even though a bun started getting on my nerves after a little while too. But I love a bun. I love a bun, a pony, a half up, half down little situation. They're my three go to right there. Or twist, which I'm probably about to do today. So y'all like long form videos or do y'all like short form videos the most? I ain't gonna lie, me, I think I like long form videos the most because sometimes them shorts and reels they be going too fast. But my eyes do not work that fast. You see, I got glasses for a reason. I don't like all that. Sometimes okay, get to the goddamn gone point, but like them y'all know them refrigerator cleanouts when they be like toot, 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 toot. Like girl, I really you move too fast. Slow down a little bit. But yeah, y'all. Anyways, y'all comment down below and see what type of videos. I see, and let me know what type of videos y'all want to see from me. Not pranks. If y'all want to do like a girl talk video one of these days, I will do that. Y'all can ask me a few questions down below if you just want to ask any type of questions, whatever. Now, don't get too crazy in them comments or with them questions because I'm not gonna answer. I don't think. But if I want to answer, I answer. But anyway. So hey y'all, this gonna be the end of this video. I did tell y'all I was gonna style and do a little soft retwist on my hair, but y'all, I really don't feel like doing that today. And when I do it, I will record the process and show y'all. I'm record that for y'all when I do that. It might be yesterday because my husband he might go hang out with one of his friends tomorrow. I said yesterday, didn't I? I mean tomorrow. And if I decide to do that tomorrow and record it, or whenever I decide to do it, if I remember, I'm gonna record that for y'all. But I don't feel like doing it today. So with all of that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, don't forget. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. That lets me know that you would like more of these videos. And have a great day. Be safe, stay kind, and I'll see you next time. Peace.